Welcome students. Today we are going to understand conditional sentences. You know, conditional sentences are used often in complex sentences, and you know that complex sentences use some subordinate clause. And you know what is the condition of subordinate clause? They generally tell you some condition. So here we will understand what are conditional sentences. They are also known as suppositions. These are of three types. So let us understand. Conditional sentences, also known conditional sentences also known as suppositions. Suppositions means here we suppose something, some condition is given, are of three types. Number one, open conditional. Open conditional sentences are also called factual sentences. Factual. Then second one, hypothetical. Hypothetical or imaginary sentences. Hypothetical or imaginary sentences. And then the third one is impossible. Impossible sentences. So firstly we are going to understand the open conditional sentences. First one, open conditional sentences. As I have already told you, these are also called as factual sentences, and these express such condition which may or may not be fulfilled. Okay, and here subordinate clause introduces some subconditions like if, unless, whether, and here it states some adverb clauses. In the subordinate clause, what we find? Adverb clauses, which are introduced by using the subconditions if, unless, or whether. In these sentences, an adverb clause is introduced by using the subcondition. By using the subconditions, which subconditions? If, unless, or whether. It states such conditions which may or may not likely be fulfilled. Here the conditions expressed may or may not likely to be fulfilled. Here realistic conditions are expressed, so they may be fulfilled, they may not be fulfilled. So there is 50-50% chance of these. So before we understand the examples of this type of conditional sentences, let's have a recap. What are conditional sentences? Conditional sentences are suppositions, because here we suppose something, and you know that conditional sentences are uh, generally expressed in complex sentences. Conditional sentences are nothing but complex sentences. And here adverb clause is stated, and adverb clause is introduced by the subcondition if, unless or whether. These are of three types: open conditional sentences or factual sentences, hypothetical or imaginary sentences, and then impossible sentences. Now what is the first one? Here, as I have told you, here there is an adverb clause introduced by if, unless, whether, and here the main clause. The main clause is simply expressed in a simple future tense. Generally, we see that it is expressed in simple future tense. So, how it happens? Let us proceed and understand it through examples. The conditional clause will be introduced by if, unless, or whether. Let us see how. Example: if he comes here, I will help him. If he comes here, I will help him. So there is a 50-50% chance. If he comes, then he will be helped. If he doesn't come, he will not be helped. So 50-50% chance. If he works hard, he will succeed. Unless he comes on time, he will not be able to do the job. Unless he comes on time, he will not be able to do the job. This is another example, example 3. I shall help him whether he asks me for it or not. I shall help him whether he asks me for it or not. So you can easily understand, if he comes here, this is the subordinate clause and I will help him, main clause. If he works hard, I will succeed. Unless he comes on time, unless is the conjunction, it is introducing the subordinate clause, he will not be able to do the job. And here this is the example where we are using whether. Now we will proceed and understand the second type of conditional sentence. Second type of conditional sentences. So let us understand. Second type of conditional sentence, as I have already told you, these are called hypothetical. These are called hypothetical sentences. So let's understand what are these. Hypothetical sentences. Hypothetical sentences contain a subordinate clause which states some condition which is theoretical or which is connected or combined with some unreality or improbability. These sentences contain a subordinate clause which contains a condition that is quite theoretical or having or combined with some unreality or improbability, or combined with some unreality or improbability. Unreality or improbability tells you that this will not be practically possible. Okay. So here what happens that the clause, the subordinate clause is introduced by using the past tense. Okay. So let us see how it happens. And in the main clause we use would or should. Should can also be used if it follows I or we. In such sentences, simple past is used in subordinate clause and will, would or should, and would or should is used in main clause. Before we proceed further, let's have a recap of this sentence, hypothetical sentence. In the hypothetical sentences, some improbable conditions are attached. Some improbable, some unrealistic conditions are expressed in the subordinate clause, and the subordinate clause is written in simple past. In the main clause, we use would or should. Should can also be used if it is following I or we. That means the first person pronouns. So let us see what happens. And one more thing, that here the past tense is used to indicate the present time or the future time. Okay. So let us see what happens. Let us see in the examples. Examples. If I were you, I would give up gambling. If I were a bird, I would fly. Here you can easily see, if I were you, this is the subordinate clause, I would give up gambling. So here we are using would in the principal clause, and simple past is used here in subordinate. Similarly, if I were a bird, I would fly. Here we are again using would. Next, if I were the Prime Minister, I would serve the country honestly. If my father were rich, he would buy this house. So here you can easily understand what are hypothetical sentences. So everything is crystal clear here. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this class and you have got a clear idea about hypothetical sentences and open sentences or factual sentences, and you understood what are the types of conditional sentences. So I am ending the class, and before I end, I would remind you, if you are a regular student, you recommend the channel to your friends and well-wishers, and if you are a new one, then you just subscribe the channel and keep watching. Thank you.